Hey, it's Joey Amaro from Gears. I've been in marching band since my freshman year, and I've seen the Splendora band grow and prosper. I look back at my first show and it's completely different. But ever since my first day, my biggest goal was to squeeze every ounce of fun out of marching band. I soon learned the only way to have fun doing it was to be good. It's why I practice every chance I get, doing the same thing over and over, improving something each time. However, I've never really liked watching other bands. It's more fun to be on the field doing it. So, thanks to SISD Communications Department, we were able to put a set of GoPros on Alex Bradshaw, percussionist, and myself to document what it's like to be in between the white lines.